Let us start this new series of lectures in which I will be delivering lectures over presses. So I will start from the beginning, and first of all I would love to discuss with you the syllabus, that what are in the syllabus. So in the syllabus, first part is presses writing, the second one is reading comprehension, the third one is grammar and vocabulary, and the fourth one is sentence correction, and grouping of word is on sixth number, and then we have pair of words and translation. These are all the parts of in the paper of presses writing. So the in presses and composition. So first part is presses writing, and we will discuss presses. But you should remember that there will be 20 marks per presses writing. So 5 marks will go for title. So you should and you must have to mention the title, otherwise they will deduct 5 marks from you, and the rest of the marks are for presses. Now in the tenses portion, in the grammar and vocabulary portion, we have tenses, articles, preposition, conjunction, punctuation, phrasal verbs, synonyms and antonyms. I have already started a lecture series on tenses, so you have to go through these, and then I will go for the rest. And grouping of words also, you should I will also provide you some list, you can go through these list. And translation, you also have to go for translation, and the translation, if you give idiomatic and figurative language, then they will award you much marks as compared with simple language. You can also do it by using simple language, but they love to read and give marks on the basis of figurative language. So what is presses? Can anybody tell me that what is presses? You can comment over there. Presses is actually like it is the essential point, it is the accumulation of essential point with mood and tone of the author of the passage. It is a summarized form of a passage in which you will deliver the whole idea of the writer in few words. So this is the whole portrait of the passage. Now rules of writing a presses are: they should be 1/3 of the length, and in the group, in the WhatsApp group, the formula has been shared, and you can go through this formula, that how you will calculate the number of words, etc. So for this you have to calculate that roughly count the words in each sentence, then count the whole sentence, and then multiply them, and then divide by 3. Or you can take average by counting the words in the first sentence and then in the second sentence, and then take the average and multiply it by the total sentences, and then go for the presses writing. There should be clarity. This should be clarity means it easy to understand. There should be correctness. Correctness mean this should be grammatically and as per the language should be correct. So there will be coherence, cohesion. So there will be coherence mean logical interconnection, and concise, this should be logical, mentally, and coherence and cohesion mean physically. On the paper they should be connected, as well as the thoughts should also be connected. Coherence means logically connected, thoughts should be connected. This should be concise, brief and direct. to the point. So conciseness actually means that it should be brief, and the Q, you can Q 5 C's and double O. You can also use this formula: correct, concise, cohesive, and it should also cohesion, and these things correct. So this you can apply the objective, and you can also this use this formula Q formula. So C double O Q, so you can use this one. Now we what should we have to avoid? First we have to understand the main theme of the passage, and then we don't have to reproduce the original rephrase the original sentences. We have to describe it in our own word without adding any information from us. There should be brevity, as brevity is the soul of wit. Make no grammatical mistakes, and language should be simple. I will be also sharing my essay presses after checking, so you have to go through it, and you will then clear understanding of presses writing. It was my first attempt, so now I will go for the improvement as I understand it. Now I have to practice, as presses writing is the game of practice. So this was this was all about the syllabus analysis and these things. And press is also written in third person. Now it should also be noted that it should be used you have to use third person pronoun during writing the presses. We should avoid adding things from ourselves, and it's best to retain the original order of the given passage of your presses. So this was all, and you use your direction while dealing with information. Erase all under. We have to accumulate all the information and remove all the unimportant information, but we have to don't kill the essence of the idea. Now generally it should be one whole, or so paragraphing should be avoided. It will be in single paragraph. The title should be also be 5 words, not increase. You should not increase the title from 5 words. Five words should be enough. Don't use abbreviation, and abbreviation are also not allowed in the presses writing. Now general steps of writing a press. What should be the general steps? Step number first will be read the given passage. First we have to read the passage, and then we have to reread again. We have to read once and then give and then read it again. The second one, be understand the central idea of the passage. That what is the central idea of the passage, and then underline the important points or sentences. And with these information you have then we have to make a rough draft. And then after making a rough draft, if you think that something is to be added or subtracted, do it. Keep in mind that the word count of the rough draft. Remove any chunk you can remove and add during the rough draft, and after improving your draft linguistically and ideas and logically, then you can produce go for the finalized draft. And the finalized draft, and write the presses in your answer sheet. Make sure you don't make any mistake in the word count fits perfectly. So you also have to care about the wording, and I have explained the formula initially in this lecture. Now at the end we have to give a suitable title, and so it should be grammatically and word count ideas and these things. You also have to increase these things and repeat them again and again, then you can write a good preces. Be happy, stay blessed, and have more wisdom ahead. So this was all about the preces. I will come with another video.